Well, modulating the gut microbiome has become a key focus in poultry health and performance due to its profound influence on several critical biological functions.
Welcome to Future Feed Talks. In this episode, we explore how eubiotics are shaping the future of animal nutrition, supporting gut health, performance, and sustainability in poultry and swine production. I'm joined by Maria Iuspa, Global Product Manager for eubiotics at dsm-firmenich. And with over 26 years of experience in animal nutrition and the health industry, Maria brings deep scientific expertise and strategic insight to the table. This series is produced in cooperation with dsm-firmenich and All About Feed. My name is Iris Hoffman, video editor, and I'll be conducting this interview. Hello, Maria. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Hi, it's my pleasure to be here.
Maria, can you explain what precision glycans are and how they differ from traditional prebiotics or feed additives?
Well, precision glycans are a new class of feed additives designed to selectively modulate the gut microbiome by targeting specific microbial populations and metabolic pathways. They differ from the traditional prebiotics or other feed additives because the precision glycans are synthetically designed. They are a very complex carbohydrates that are tailored to promote the growth of beneficial microbes, suppress the harmful ones, enhance microbial beneficial microbes, and metabolic functions that will support the host health and the nutrient absorption.
Exactly. And why is modulating the gut microbiome such a key focus for poultry health and performance today?
Well, modulating the gut microbiome has become a key focus in poultry health and performance due to its profound influence on several critical biological functions as nutrient absorption, feed efficiency, immune system development, disease resistance, and the resistance to pathogens colonization as Clostridium perfringens and Salmonella.
I see. So dsm-firmenich developed the Maestro platform to bring precision biotics to market. What makes this platform unique in the industry?
Well, DSM brought to the market via Maestro platform our glycan technology leverages a state-of-art in microbiome science to develop precision biotics as commercial products that help our customers address various industry challenges. These precision biotics are manufactured from sugars. They are complex carbohydrates with unique building blocks, branches, and linkers, make up a candidates library. Our glycan library can be screening against specific microbiome functions that could influence the host and the environment.
So your first commercial product from this platform is Symphium. What is it and how does it work at a microbial level?
Well, Symphium is composed by a complex glycan chains mixture that is precisely produced and it was precisely selected and is modulating the microbiome pathways for production of short-chain fatty acids such as butyric and propionic and nitrogen utilization, producing good metabolites from the nitrogen, impact on ammonia reduction, and other harmful metabolites that could be produced from nitrogen metabolism.
Okay, and when did Symphium came to market for poultry?
Well, Symphium came to the market for poultry in the different regions of the globe, in different occasions. But in general, we can say in 2022. was the year.
And what diseases are you targeting with precision glycans?
Actually, Synfion was not designed to control any specific disease, okay? What Synfion is doing is modulating the microbiome. In a way, this microbiome will produce more short-chain fatty acids and less harmful metabolites from the nitrogen. And this will contribute for the gut health. When the animal suffer any challenge in the gut, could be Clostridium, Salmonella, could be mycotoxins, raw material quality, the gut will gonna be able to have a fast recovery of the lesions. That's the main purpose of Synfion.
And when for other species?
Well, nowadays we are working in a project for piglets, a precision glycan for piglets, and our perspective is to launch the product in the market in the end of 26. And also we have a project for ruminants. But the project in ruminants, we are still working on it, and then we do not have an estimation, a clear estimation in terms of launch.
And how does precision glycans selectively support beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli and suppress harmful ones?
They are often selected based on their structure to interact with specific microbial enzymes or receptors, enabling target modulation of the gut ecosystem, improving the growing of beneficial bacteria, and then reducing or suppress the harmful ones.
And short-chain fatty acids like butyrate and propionate are central to gut health. How does glycan technology promote their production?
Well, the glycan chains of Synfion composition were selected based on their structure, as I said before, to interact with specific microbial enzymes and receptors, then enable target modulation of the gut ecosystem in a way that the microbials will gonna change their metabolism pathway and produce more short-chain fatty acids, especially butyrate and propionate.
Okay, can you elaborate on how this technology impacts nitrogen metabolism, particularly in its role reducing ammonia and other harmful metabolites?
Yeah, sure. Well, Synfion plays a very significant role in modulating nitrogen metabolism in poultry by targeting specific microbial metabolic pathways, by enhanced microbial functions that detoxify unabsorbed amino acids and liquid host proteins in the hand gut. This action, is important to say, is independent of the microbiota composition, meaning it works across different flocks and environments. By improving the efficiency of microbial protein metabolism, Synfion helps to reduce the production of ammonia, amines, and other toxic nitrogen compounds. And this will lead to lower nitrogen excretion, reduce the ammonia emission, which will gonna benefit the animal welfare and the environmental sustainability.
I see. And how does glycan structure, such as branching and linkage, influence its precision in targeting microbial pathways?
Well, that's a very nice question. Highly branched glycans and multiple glycoside bonds or linkages is the same, can increase the interactions with microbial receptors, increasing the binding strengthening and the specificity to target microbes. The linkage types, or again, the glycoside bonds, and Synfion has 11 different types, different from the traditional prebiotics that has only 2 types. The linkages will determine which microbial enzyme can break down the glycan. Since which microbials has a species-specific glycosidase, an enzyme that will break the bond, This allows to the target modulation of microbial population based on their enzymatic toolkit. Precision glycans like synthron are designed to avoid feeding undesirable microbes, activate beneficial metabolic functions, as an example, nitrogen detoxification and short-chain fatty acid production.
Perfect. So what kind of research or field results have you seen so far that validate the efficacy of precision glycans like Synthium?
Well, the experimental and field studies are showing an important impact on feed conversion ratio in broilers, improvement in feed conversion ratio, and improvement in egg production in layers. Additionally, the studies are showing us the increase of gut resilience of the animal when they are impacted by challenges as mycotoxins, coccidiosis, heat stress, every single challenge that can impact the gut integrity.
Okay, so looking ahead, how do you see glycan technology evolving within animal nutrition, and what potential does it hold beyond poultry?
Well, glycan technology is evolving in animal nutrition science. This innovation allows the target modulation of gut microbiome. Studies in poultry demonstrate that precision glycans can significantly improve the growth performance and feed conversion ratios, enhance the gut health by diversifying and strengthening the beneficial microbial communities, reduce the pathogenic bacteria and mortality rates during disease outbreaks, minimize ammonia emissions, which will gonna boost both welfare, animal welfare, and sustainability. Technological progress in glycan synthesis has made it feasible to manufacture tailored glycans at scale. While poultry has been a primary focus, glycan technology's potential extends to a broad range of livestock species as ruminant, swine, and aquaculture.
Thank you, Maria. It was a pleasure to do this interview with you.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.